What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So, I've had a lot of people ask me to do this, and for the longest I said I wouldn't, but since so many people are asking, I'm making two other options for credit repair if anybody's interested. And basically, what this is you will be paying for credit repair for 12 months, meaning if I fix your credit before the 12 months is up, which obviously that's more than likely going to happen. If anything new pops on your credit report, I will dispute it for the full 12 months. In other words, if I get done in 3 months and then 3 months later something pops up, I'll dispute it. I'll get it removed. All right, so if you don't have a bankruptcy, the normal price for 12 months of credit repair is $1,850. Okay, so if you want to go that route, you would pay $1,000 to get started and then $5 a month. You're going to save $800 over 12 months. If you have a bankruptcy, the full price is $3,150. So for that one, it'll be $1,000 and then $50 a month for 10 months. They're both for 10 months, by the way. And you're saving $1,650 on the bankruptcy one. Again, this isn't something I just came up with. I've had so many people ask about this just because they want to, have me available at all times during out the whole year. If you sign up before January, you'll have me until January 2023, even if you've paid in full before then. But I will leave all the details in the description. I'm also going to do a video here shortly about teaching you how to do credit repair and the pricing on that. I will be going live today. And that's all I got for now. I hope y'all have a great day.